Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. Today, we are going to learn about spoken English, some phrases. Koi ngasi mayam punamukpu Learn English by Speaking na taram na uksari madudi koi spoken English Meiteilon da tambagi matang da mayam da kai kitang haijage. Hujing ngasi koi nasi nagadori ba tamgadori ba si phrases si unless and until not until and unless aduna unless and until haigadabani not until and unless haiba yade aduna unless and until haigadaba not until and unless haigadaba natte aduna masigi matangda hairakke huji oja amaga mahairoi singawari sabagi mongda hairakke. Good morning, sir. Kurumjari oja. Good morning. Sir, today I confuse about unless and until. How to use in speaking and writing. Very good. Great question. Ngang sinahai. Oja ay yamna sabam na re unless amasung until haibasi ki matang da masigi phrase mati asi matau karamna iba amasung ngang bada siznagadage. Kanagumbana until and unless so hai. Aduga kanagumbana unless and until so hai. Masi karamna tawbuno khara takpiyu. Okay. Listen. Taro hojagno komai. Listen very carefully. Hajana taro. Now the two phrases unless and until, not until and unless, which is not allowed. Akoi unless amasung until haigadabani. Until and unless haiba yade. Unless hybrid means if not hybrid. Unless hybrid oidraba if not hybrid natrabadi hybrid ko Meiteilon da. Until means up to the time that matam du phawba hybrid ko. Until adudi matam du phawba natrabadi tawdrabadi unless and until hybrid matam du phawbugi manung da tawdrabadi hybrid ko. Unless and until adudi akoina ngangba kanda karmaina sinagadage haibudu ai chandongna haige taw ko phani oja. Okay, sir. When combined akoina anisi unless and until si tais koi punjan naraga haiba kanda unless and until it means something won't happen if and until another thing happens. Ko haibadi example pige munataro you want aina want hana haibadi would not have any ko koina koi ngangba kanda masigi koigi kari hai tare masigi kaino se contraction hai tare English da would not have a want w-o-n apostrophe t want ngangba kanda na want aduga iba kanda na would not ani si ko ngangba ga iba ga se tang style je khena bai and you won't succeed unless and until you work hard. Haibadi you must work hard. Nang thabak kanna honaba tayeba. Otherwise adu natrabadi you won't succeed nang mai pakpa ngamoy haibane. Adu tadi unless and until you work hard, you must work hard. Haibadi unless and until you work hard, you would not succeed. Si hana thamame aduga unless and until you work hard. Nang habok kan na sudrabadi nang na mai pakbadu ngamoy haibane ko. He won't apologize unless and until she forgive him. Adudi mahang haijaraiba lale haina haijaraiba tu mahangna mahaku ngakpidriba phawbadi yaroi dauri haine ko aduna until and unless you work hard you won't pass adanang kanna honadriba phawdi nang madu pass tawbo ngamoy haibachi lale until and unless haibe ate ko. And unless and until you work hard, you won't pass haigane ko. Gandare ko. And then, sir, please tell me about the uses of till, still, until. Until haibasine, still haibasine, till haiba wahi, adverb, adjective, ahum sigi matangda. I have a little bit confused. Please explain about their uses and how to use to speak and the write. Okay, sure. That is great question. Before that, let me explain about right now and right away. Adugi mamangda hadingi mamangda ai nakoi mayamda right now haibasiga right away haibasiga ani se koi ayamba matamda daily use da we still use it. When we write and when we talk, these two phrases are still using. Masi use pabo koi sizinadana lairibani ko sigi matangda amage satra jingna munna tari ni ko gadagi ojasina haire. Okay, let me speak. Right now means at this moment. Right now haibati hauzik oiriba mikup sigi manungda haibani ko. Khudam ama pirake, I am studying right now. Ai jiuzik ai lai tamdana padana nainadana lairi haibani ko. Adagi right away haibasina masigi arthajim harake. Let me say explain about right away. Means immediately ko immediately adu tardi hudak tahay ni ko the L means contraction ni iba kanda di I will hay gani adu apostrophe na W ga I ga du lokto ga double L iba ni paba kanda IL start studying right away I hauji hudak asida ay lairik parakadori nainarakadori tamgadori hay ne. Right now means happening now. Right away means start immediately. Kudak isida haubaduna right away. Aduga hauji thuibaduna right now. The kudamonga pirake I am busy right now means I am busy at this exact moment. Hujiki oriba matam sida mase mathau silli ko sini hainingi se gyan tai ko. Aduga amaga mo haige please call me right away. Hai taragadi. Please call me right away. Hai taragadi. Please call me. Don't wait. Hai ne. Kudak aduda. Ngairano. Aduga please call me right away. Hai taragadi. Ai kudak ta adum call toro ngaigano hai bane ko. Aduda please call me right now. Haragana. Hauji aingonda phone toro oh hai bane ko. Adu sikha khenabase sini ko tari mathangda nang ngasai hangiba question amung makhata ji till until still ahum ji ko ahum si adverb adu adjective kayum kanda adjective so rakpa till habase till till habase ga until habase ga same same arthadi both means up to a certain time akaknaba matam ama phawgi manungda leibdo adu koina till until sammani ko adu tardi you can use either one ani si manungda ama sina bayai till season agera until season agera sammani ani se ye khudam ama pirage ko they are interchangeable moi jon dum on thang on jin to bayai till haina season agera until haina season agera kudam piragi yango I'll wait till you come. Adom laktri phawba ai ngai gani. Haibani ko ngasai certain point of time ne up to a certain time matam do baw ko ire ko. I'll wait till you come. Hai ta I will wait till you come haibani. The IL ai na L na pari je I have a will never the W ga I ga je lok thok pa never contraction gi niyo matana. Ngangba kandadi yamna smart oibna L wet haiganeba adu iba kandadi full form da dum I will igane ko adu wani ngang baga iuge kena ba I'll wait until you come haibanga I'll wait till you come samane both correct ani mak roi summi ko degi still sina continues not stop tum chatharaga leiba leptaba suleb leptaba dum tawar leiba it means something is happening even now हानदगी अदुम तौरपदुन हौजिक फाव अदुम चाथदुना अदुम लैबा जासे मसदा कोने स्टिल सिनागने he is still sleeping ma hौजिक फाव तुमनना लैरी अदे he started sleeping before mamang da tummaga adum leiram leikiba and has not stopped leptana adum tumba ado are you still there nang mafam duda adum leiri bro are you still Delhi in New Delhi are you still in Manipur nang sum Manipur da leiri bro sumaina ko sinagane bako yan tai ko ne oja sina mo haire adu yam nungai re adu di koina no ba vocabulary khara mu tam ji ko ngasi ani adu hayeng mathang gi video da mu mathang koi tam na ba ana no koi nukti ge adum class 10 taw adum khangani ko get fight get walk ko hawdung phuna ba aduga get walk hawdung na chat pa ko spelling do get fight get walk masigi vocabulary se karino what does get fight mean and what about get walk get fight is haibasi koi hairake munataro get fight is when two people usually women fight or argue in a very dramatic way nupi ani ka yamna drama mo kan mo mong ga khanabado marai yetnabado adu ko na get fight ko adigi get walk haibasina it is the narrow runway model walk on during the fashion show when a fashion show da hawdung na sat badong na get walk tawdo no koi nupi mayam thom ma khong na haw tapna model da runway tawdo adu ko na get walk ko gyan tare adu di ngasi gi di paraji matang khais da lo selasi mathang video da mu unar see you again in the next video bye bye